What is up, guys? It's Jesse here. Today we're going to be learning how to do a down whip. Alright, if you haven't learnt tail whip or 180 yet, links are in the description for a tutorial, or I put them up here somewhere. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So learning a down whip can be very tricky. It'll take you a while to get used to it, as you're going to be whipping one way and turning the other. Alright, so you're going to be whipping the opposite way. First things first, if you go front side, you're obviously going to be doing it different to me. And if you're doing it back side like me, then just do what I do. So what you want to do to get used to it is you want to just lean back here, hold on to your bars, and jump around. Right, so you just want to practice on your deck and jump around. Once you feel comfortable with that, you're going to want to add the whip into it. So you want to go, when you jump, you want to whip and then jump around. So let's try it. So we're just going to do that, alright? You don't have to land it. You're just practicing the motion. So, whip, jump around. Whip, jump around. Now that you're getting used to going two different ways, you want to try land it. Now, there is a cheat way you can do it, and that is doing a 3/4 tail whip and then just jumping to the side. It's not really a down whip, but it kind of counts. So if you want to learn that, it's basically whip like this. But we don't want to be doing that. Because here we want to be doing the proper thing. So, we're going to implement the half whip to the 180, right? And we're going to do it at the same time, and we're going to land it, okay? So we're going to jump, holding onto the bars, 180, while we're doing that whip. Okay, let's do it. There we go. So that was when I learned on my break, because I didn't want to go into fakie, just so I didn't roll off. Right, now you guys know how to do a down whip. You might find it easier doing it onto coping, onto like a quarter or something, if that's your thing. I do find down whips are harder flat. You can do them out of a fly out or out of a bank, and you might find it a lot easier. Just remember to keep practicing the 180 and half whip, and just keep trying that, and you'll get the down whip. Or you can just be a cheat and do the 3/4 whip and jump to the side. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and tell your friends.